Okay, say hi again.
Hi friends, this is me looking.
Okay. Oh. So what are the names of your new Hot Wheels?
This is
You show them.
Rescue 2.
What's Animal Rescue. What's the other one? What's that? What's the name of that?
Chrysler Pacifica.
Oh. Chrysler. And the other one? The other one? What's the name?
Nator.
Huh?
Nator.
Ah, you should push that pala. You should push. And this one, you should push that too. Ah, okay. Oh. How about on the other side? There, baby, you transfer there in the Hot Wheels City. Come on, put your...
That's for only monster trucks.
Ah, that's only for monster trucks? Ah, it's not for ano? How about on the other side there?
That's for the skateboard.
Ah, that's why there are skateboards. And this one for the cars, and this one is for monster trucks. Okay. Okay, say bye na to your friends. Okay, we're here in monster trucks. How about there? There, oh. You can put your toy here, oh. Here, oh. Who wins? Who wins? Okay.
If I may,
Only that's for skateboards, eh. Okay, say bye na to your